What's going on, y'all? Tech Me Out here, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing all the things that I purchased on Amazon Prime Day. So if you're new to the channel, basically what you can expect here are like unboxings like this, tutorials, top 5 app reviews for iPhone and Android, things of that nature. So if any of that intrigues you at all, please consider that subscribe button down below. So we recently just celebrated Amazon Prime Day. There were some good deals and some bad ones. I think there were even some hiccups along the way where there was a point where everybody was getting that dog instead of whatever they were looking for. So if you are excited to see all the things in which I have, go ahead and hit that like button as I unbox this first one. I like popping the knife out. It makes me feel official. So I started opening this one, but I didn't open it all the way. This is actually not something that I purchased, disclaimer. This was sent to me by Aki. I've checked out a few of their products before in the past, and they offer some really, reasonably priced items. So in this case, what I have here is their smart plug. So this is going to basically allow you to plug in an item and then control it with your phone. We got the dual plugs going on here. So that way you can plug up 2 items to this at the same time. So in my case, I'm probably going to put my TV and maybe my Apple TV. All right. Now this next item is a wireless portable Bluetooth speaker. So no specs on the outside. So let's hop on in and see. Ooh, that looks good. That looks a lot better than I anticipated. This I don't know if this is aluminum, but it definitely looks like it, feels like it. So it looks like we got a 360 grill. We also got our button controls on the top here. They feel pretty good to the touch. Where's power? So we can, here we go. Power button along the back. The chime is always like a small indicator of what you're in for. But let me get my phone. Yeah. It's like 50% of the way up right now. Let's check out Sarah Too Ill. It's not bad, but it's not like, oh my God, good either, Okay, so one package down, on to the next. I have no clue what's in this one because they got all mixed up. Okay, I was about to say this package seems a little big for this stuff, and I've heard people getting super big boxes for a little bit of stuff. But nah, I think we all right. This I am really excited about. This is a product from KeySmart. It allows you to pretty much better organize your keys, and it has tile technology built inside of it, so you can track where your keys are when you lose them. If you want to see a review on this, let me know down below in the comments section. Or actually, out of all of these items, let me know what you figure out that you want to see a review on first. This is expandable, so you can actually modify it. It has an LED flashlight, a bottle opener. Ooh, look at that. So yeah, the keys will pop out like this, and I'll have the one key that I need at the ready, and then I can just tuck it back in when I'm done. I can even put my fob here to my car. So we'll put this up. We're gonna get on to the other items. Oh, I also bought, this wasn't on sale or anything. That right there was on sale. That was $50 originally, and I got it for like, I think 40, 30, something like that. What's in this bag here are step-up rings. This is used to modify like my ND filters that I have for my camera and any other filters that I have for my camera lenses. Because basically with things like ND filters, you have to get one per lens, but it's an option like this that allows you to use this instead to modify that filter to work with another lens. Hopefully that makes sense. If not, I'm sure a Google or YouTube search of someone better equipped to explain it will do. They feel pretty decent though, not too flimsy. I also got this Elgato Cam Link capture card. And if you all don't know what this will do for me, this is basically gonna allow me to use my, better cameras for things like live streaming, so that I can use my Sony a7 III, for instance, or my Sony a6500 instead of the internal webcam on my MacBook, which if I'm gonna live stream, I don't wanna do it preferably on that. So I invested in this so that hopefully now I'll be able to connect my camera to my computer and live stream. All right, I also got a SanDisk micro SD card. I was tweeting about these actually, and I thought I missed the deal on the 64 gigabyte option. And I went ahead and actually scooped up the 128 gig, and then the 64 went on sale, like again, because when I went to buy it, it was sold out. Got the 128, went back again, so it was available. So I grabbed this one too. I got one for my GoPro session, and I have one for, what was the other one for?
Drone?
I have one in my drone. It made sense when I bought it. I had a reason why I bought two, but I can only think of one. But this one was like $13 from its original price of like 20 something dollars. So good deal on this. And then I have, oh, I almost forgot what I bought. This right here is a mount for my Google Home Mini. I'm gonna throw a picture up because you can't really tell it in this form. This is gonna elevate your Google Home off of the table that you have it on, and then it's also gonna cable manage the cables. So then it gives you this little neat and tidy setup. So this is for the Google Home Mini. They also have a version for Alexa, which I've done a video on. But yeah, pretty neat. This was not on sale either. I just finally snagged it because I had been eyeing it. So next box here, let's see what we have. And if you're curious about my unboxing knife, I'll have that link below. Got it off of Amazon too. I bought two Firesticks. I got one for myself and one for my mom because DirecTV Now is an app that I use a lot, and it doesn't work on her Apple TV because it's too old. So I got her a Fire Stick instead, and hopefully this will be easy to navigate for her. And then I got one for my bedroom because I have an old Apple TV in there. So yeah, and I want to be able to watch DirecTV Now on it. And if you don't know what DirecTV Now is, I suggest you look into it. It's like it's better than cable. These things are gonna allow you not only to watch DirecTV Now, but also take advantage of like Amazon Video, Netflix, Hulu, all these different apps that you typically find on other streaming devices. These were $20, down from I think what, 40 or something like that. So good deal, really good deal. Then I also snagged an Echo Spot. I don't know, right? I know. I have my, fights with my Echo Dot because Alexa is sometimes too enthused to give you a response to a question you never asked. But the Echo Spot is just too cute to pass up on, and I wanted to give it a go because it has the little screen, and I don't know, it was on sale. It's basically your Echo Spot with a screen and a better speaker. So I'm really excited to kind of test that out. But for the sake of time, I'm not gonna do it on camera right now. Cool, so that is that. Oh man, I think we're down to one box. Get to this last package here. Wait a minute.
What is it?
These are sandbags, which I assumed came with sand in them so that I could weigh down like my tripod and stuff like that. So that like if I'm filming overhead, instead of using my foot to keep the tripod, balanced, I could use a sandbag to weigh it down. Where is the sand?
Yo, you can actually get sand for like $1.50 at like Lowe's or like Home Depot. Sand is not expensive. You just gotta fill it yourself.
I thought it was coming with sand. I'm so cool. Moving on. Oh, I forgot. Some of the stuff I forgot what I got. This here is something like for me, you probably don't care about this, but this is just a little magnetic screen door so that I can open up my patio door and let some nice fresh air in and not have to worry about bugs coming in. It was like what, $15 I think? And it's magnetic, so it actually has like a slit down the middle so you can walk through it, and then it just snaps itself shut. It's supposed to be an easy installation, but I was really nervous about the net and it actually keeping out bugs, but in looking at it, it definitely looks like it will. And last thing is that 128 gigabyte SD card or micro SD card that I cannot remember what I was going to use it for. Down below in that comment section before you dip out of here, let me know out of all these products, which one would you like to see me talk about first? And I will do my best to adhere to what gets the most votes. So over to either side of me is my face. You can tap on that. It's gonna allow you to instantly subscribe to my channel so you can continue to get content from me. And then beneath that is a video in which you can tap on if you wanna watch some more content. But as always, thanks for taking the time out to let me tech you out.